achọrọ m ịkụziri nnụ taa otu esi alụ nwaanyị n'ala Igbo. Mgbe m dị obere, when I was growing up, how marriages were contracted. Ọwụghị ihe anyị na-ahụ ugbu a. It's not what we see now. When a young man sees a young girl, maybe they've been cutting. Ya na ya na-akpa since like enyi nwoke na enyi nwaanyị. Then one day suddenly you plan with your friends or they carry camera and follow you. Hey bro, onye na-eso gị sit ala. Will you do me the honor? Become my wife. Let us grow old together. Will you be the mother of my children? Mba, ya ha wo omenala Igbo. Ọwụ otu m chiri ya. Ya ha wo the truth. Ọwụ ya wo eziokwu. M chọrọ ịkọrọla nnọta ahụ otu esi alụ nwaanyị, otu esi nwa. Mgbe anyị ụmụaka, anyị na-anachị, hey, ndị di abịala Nkechi, ndị di abịala Adakụ. O nwere ndị esi obodo dị ụta, nwere ndị esi obodo dị ụta. You know, people from different places coming to look for the hands of people, younger girls in the marriage, in the village, their hands in marriage, you know. But then, most of these girls that are being married then, that hand alumba, parents see the boy, ndị mụ the boy, wouldn't na-apụga chọọ nwaanyị. Ha ga-ahụ ndị alụrụ outside, say, please, lebara m anya ebe ahụ ịlụrụ di. Lee m nwere nne ike alụ gbashiri ike, nwere agwa ọma, nwa m nwere ike lụ. Nwa ya nwere ike ọnụ oji bekee, on outside, you know. The parents will look at some girls, particularly those from the villages that were married outside, and tell them, please help us get a wife, a well-behaved, hard-working girl for our son that lives in the city. The man may be a teacher or a laborer or any worker, but not in the village. But the parents will get him a wife that he will marry. Sometimes, not only parents, so, you know, in those days, and when dances, traditional dances, festivals, Christmas, New Year festival, remember, Christmas, you know, and agba egwu. Ụmụ nwoke na-abịa elele ụmụ nwaanyị na-agba egwu. A na-achị nwaanyị mara mma, nwaanyị ma egwu agba, ọ ma egwu agba. Nwoke ahụ nwere n'ebe a lee. Onye mụrụ nwa? Who is the mother of this girl? Who is the father of this girl? I like her. She's a good dancer. I will marry her. The man will still not go on his own. He will go and tell his people who will go to seek for the girl's hand in marriage. So the normal thing, we used to hear was, o nwere otu ọkụkọ anyị hụrụ n'echi. Otu ọkụkọ wụ mara nnọọ anyị hụrụ ya na main road. Mgbe anyị legee ya agbaba na compound nga, anyị si abịa jụọ ase mara onye nwe ọkụkọ ahụ. You know, we saw a chicken, a beautiful chicken outside. As we were watching, the thing ran into this compound. That's where we have come. We want to find out who owns the chicken. And the man of the compound will laugh. He said, please, how many, which chicken? I have many of them here. Some are red, some are, you know, you name them. I have 3 daughters. Which of them are you asking of? He said, okay. We want to see. The man will introduce these 3 daughters and they will pick out the one they saw outside as the chicken that ran into the compound. You know, okay, ga-akpọpụta ụmụ ya niile. Ụmụ ya atọ, ngwa, ele onye nkọ. Ha chọọ oke. Ha bụ mmebi ahụ. A na-agba aka abịa, ha bụ mmebi. And ndị Igbo shi ma mme ọgara iji ọma ma ọka ọjọọ a ga-ama ya. Whether the palm wine goes to, no matter where it came from, it must be drunk. So a ga-aṅụ mme ahụ. Ha na-aṅụcha mme ahụ, papa dị ga-eshi ngwa ala anụ mgbe nnọ na bịara ọsọ anya nye nnọ answer. The guest father will ask them to go. If you are serious, come again. Then they will come again. Ha ga-abịachi. Ha na-abịazie that day. By then, ajụọla ha nwa ha ajụjụ. The guy ga-ashi yes, ekwere m ekwe. The only way to know that o kwere kwa ọnịnị ngwa soro ha wela mbele. You go with them. This keg they brought, you will take it back. The girl will agree. And she will go. Go for the first 4 days. Nene koji. Ule. Examination. She has come for examination. It is now to find out what type of a girl she is. Is she well brought up? Is she strong? Because any girl named Pele Pele, you know all these girls that are very, no, no, my daddy, they were perceived as lazy and not strong. They could do that. They could not even carry pregnancy. So, here the morgan, they get like an examination. First night, early morning, the first cock crow. Ọkụkọ bee oke ọkpa bee ya ebilie n'ụra eji were azịza nke ọ sọkwara isi ahụ ya hara ọ ga-aza ya. She will wake up first. She will pick the broom. Not these small brooms you see. Brooms made with brooms, palm fronds. That's what they used. No matter how large the compound is, she will sweep it. After that, now she will carry her pots. Depending on the distance, a stream or the stream is from the house. That will determine how many times she will go and fetch water for the family. She will go. Ogeje kuo mmiri kuju ite. Mgbe o kuchara mmiri chie na ndị nwe ụlọ etena. By the time she finished fetching water, everybody in the household would have been awake. Then she will ask her mother-in-law, "What are we cooking?" She will turn on the light, fire. Turn on the fire, make wood, make fire, wood, make water, make a fire, boil water for the father-in-law, mother-in-law to take their bath first thing in the morning when they wake up. So they should have miracle hajasa. Or ya breakfast. She will cook the yam or she will roast it anyhow. They will eat. Then the next day everybody is going to the farm. They're going to test her strength in the farm. Abịa gbujiri ọ ga-agbachapụ ọ ga-ehiji ọ ga-akụ ose ọ ga-akụ ọkwụ ọ ga-akụ akwụkwọ nri ọ ga-akụ nwa nru. She will plant yam, she will plant cassava, she will plant melon, she will plant okra, she will plant pepper. They are watching her to see how strong she is. She can do a equivalent of 2 plots of land. The mother-in-law will be very proud. Oh, this girl is very strong. Then they come back. Or even in the farm there, in those days they used to carry utensils and food stuff to the farm because they will stay there from morning till evening. So their lunch, they will cook it there. She will be the one to cook the lunch. Oya ga-eshi nri, ya na-ebu nri eji n'ime ọhịa. Buru ite were ihe niile kwe ego ọkụ shie nri n'ime ọhịa. Ọ dị ga eshi nri ahụ. Then they come back in the evening. She will also take charge of the house. Emecha ka ya bụrụ na di no around. If the husband was there, that first door from that first day, a ga na-ele ya anya na watch ya ma ọ na-ele the man anya ọ chọrọ ịba n'ụlọ the man. It wasn't allowed. Ọ ga-arahụ with nne di. She will sleep with the mother-in-law. She will sleep with the sisters-in-law. Ọ ga-aga near the husband. Nne di nwere ike share ngwa tigere na ya na di eri ha ri. Mmega na akara tefere. Eat from the same plate, you and your husband. And the girl will be doing like very bashful. Mama, no, get a eat with your husband. Then they will eat. The man will be picking the meat, picking the fish. What can I go around na go around? What can one yaga hagriana? Oga de suru ya suru tara like this. You got their whole fenota. You may pretend like on a heli. The man share ngwa weras. Yes, ngwa werano. Actually, will get care. Because that's what they wanted to see. Oh yeah, no, I got enyo, then ga be a gacha, Abia shamba, were to aqua, Anna Mary aqua, they will ask her, take an egg, cook an egg, I eat. No, I don't eat eggs. You know why? Because in those days, children that ate eggs were regarded as thieves, very badly brought up children. They say potential thieves. Umaka gezoshi when they grow up. So any child that ate egg, in those days, was a potential thief. So the girl will refuse. Say no. I will not eat. Very funny. And then when you fry him, and I cha Gishimeri mecha ya shushi. Oh, mwakira azụ ya azụ. Oh, mwanyị ndị ofekere ndị, They never fried food. Then no fried food. Okay, ye cha 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 na ye in those days. Ya bịa nọcha that 4 days. Ya bịa laa. Mbele ọ ga-abịa laa. So mgbe ọ ga-ala, ọ ga-ama akwa ọhụrụ, a ga-adụrụ ya uwe ọhụrụ. Uwe ahụ ọsọ bịa ije abara na ọ gaghị eji ya ala. Ọ bụrụ na ọ gaghị eji ala, beta ọ ga-asụ uwe ọhụrụ ala. Then mgbe ọ laruru, ndị mmụọ ya jụọ ya ajụjụ ebe ije na ele otu ọrịa. She will tell them how the family is, whether she can stay there or she cannot stay there. That will determine the next step. Ya wụ na ije abalị anọ, 8 days visit. She will go for 8 days. By the end of the 8 days, which is another ule, another examination, they would have confirmed that, oh, nwa agbashiri ike o. Hey, ọ na-aza eji, ọ na-eshi nri, ọ na-eje ọrụ, nwakịrị gbashiri ike. Naanị ya nwere ike rụọte acres of land. She is very strong. She sweeps, she cooks, she works on the farm. She can even finish 10 acres of land. That was their measurement of beauty. Then, ọwụkwa facials, ọwụkwa weave-on, ọwụhụ face, makeup, no. Mma gị nọrọkwara gị na chọọchị anyị na-eji oji, no. Mma nwaanyị wa agwa. That's what Igbos will tell you. Agwa nwaanyị wụ mma. Then there's a 16 days one. Then after that, they talk about the big question, the big thing, dowry. That one, the whole village, everybody, to a very beautiful day. They pay your dowry and you've gone, you are married. You know. But these days, I see that children of these days cannot do that. I'm not saying they should, because me, I didn't do it. During my own time, it was not like that. It was not like that. We used to have boyfriends. I name a boyfriend. Your parents are your boyfriends. They know your girlfriends. But then, it was a taboo. You dare not. Agalo. Before you show your parents anybody. You can't even show your parents anybody. They will bring the people they will bring the girl that the boy will marry. So, but these days, it's not the same thing. Me, I didn't sweep to please anybody. I didn't cook to please anybody. I didn't go to the farm. Everything I know about farming is what I observe, see people do. And by the way, there's nothing I cannot do. I can cook apple, I can fry gari, I can do any farm job. But I never went to the farm with my parents. I never went with anybody. I never. But you see this, marry me now, be the mother of my children, this and that, you nailed that. Do you know, I saw a girl that knelt down for a man and the boy rejected her. It was a taboo. I felt so ashamed. I said, what? Is this what is on now? Why is Sekura la nwoke biko lụọ m? Nwaanyị a na-arịọ nwoke biko ka ọ lụọ ya. Ọ nwoke na-abịa rịọ nwaanyị ka ọ lụọ ya. So ihe m shimakọwala na oke mma mgbe anyị dị obere. Measurement eji ama nwaanyị. Ọwụghị ugbo a na-achị a nwere bọmbọm ike ya buru ibu, ara ya buru ibu. Mba, mgbe ahụ agwa nwaanyị wụ mma. Nwaanyị mara mma bụ nwaanyị gbachiri ike. Nwaanyị mara echi, nwaanyị mara ya agba, nwaanyị ma uri agba, nwaanyị na-eje na farm ya rụọ from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Ọ ya wụ nwaanyị mara mma. Onye ji ama nwaanyị mgba. Ndewo na ụmụnne m, onye ji m akọwala udo dịrị unu.